Hi there, how you doing? My name is Rick, I'm with Counterintelligence, and today we're in the home of the Lewises, and I'm going to introduce you to Dale and Julie here in just a moment. Wanted to give you kind of a recap of how we ended up here at this beautiful wall and their fireplace surrounds. So it started out with this sample board here, which is the one that I showed them when I came in, along with many others, to give them an idea of what we could do. And then from there we made this as a sample for them to show them kind of more what they were looking to accomplish, and then that turned into this wall, and that's the end result. Julie, Dale, how did you guys come to the conclusion that you wanted to try and do a epoxy fireplace?
Well, we were looking at tile and we couldn't decide on a color, and we happened to meet you and saw some of your work, the countertop work, asked if it was possible to do a wall like this, and when we decided on colors, we could customize any color that we wanted. That really made the difference.
Right. That is one of the big draws for the epoxy countertops and walls now, is that it's very custom, it's very personal. It's a personal thing that's done for you guys. So this is a one-of-a-kind project. You won't see it in anyone else's house. There might be people that try to imitate or copy in the future, but no one will have this wall. With the color schemes and patterns, is there a favorite color in this, or was it a theme that you were going for?
We were going for just kind of a horizontal look and kind of the abstract look. We didn't want it to be very structured, so they came up with this, and we also have a little bit of tan through it that matches our flooring, and it turned out perfect.
It came out really, really well. The installation process, how was that for you? Did it take a lot of time? Was there downtime for you, or?
We were actually on a schedule. We were
Okay.
having a party here, kind of a joint birthday party for Julie and I, and we had the date all set, the invitations were out, and we needed to make sure that the wall was put up before that happened, and it was right on time.
Nice. Happy birthday. I don't remember, I was out of town, that's probably why I didn't get my invitation.
Absolutely,
right.
yes.
Right,
right.
so I'm sure it's in the
Probably
mailbox.
waiting in the mail.
Yeah, absolutely. So you guys had your birthday party, you do that together every year?
This is the first year.
All right, and this is
Yeah.
the birthday present?
Absolutely.
Okay,
Yeah.
very nice. Congratulations.
We couldn't be happier.
All right. Well, we're very pleased with the entire process. We're very happy you were able to take some time out of your busy day to meet with us and do this here for our friends at our website, and anyone else that might see this and be motivated, because I've shown the picture of this end project to many people because it just blows their mind. Maybe what we could do is just change our name from Counterintelligence to Fireplace Intelligence.
Sounds like a great idea.
Yeah, we got it lit.
Thank you, Counterintelligence. We couldn't be happier with the project, and we would refer anybody that's looking for a project like this on the wall, or certainly a new countertop, to give you a call. They do great work.